Just a very quick video. So essentially what I've done here is I did my twists and I really love how they look with the highlights shot through them. And you can see I have a ton of clips and little things going on in my hair. And the reason for that is I actually bought root clips like you use for locks, and then I lost them. I have no idea where they are. So I still wanted to try this to see if it would help so I wouldn't get puffy roots. So I went ahead, twisted up all my hair, add these clips on, and then I just ran over it for like a minute with the blow dryer on like high-ish. I am going to now go ahead and put this bonnet on and we'll see what they look like in the morning. Next day, time to take these guys out and see, did it work? Are the roots not too puffy? Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. It doesn't look like it expanded too much. All right. I had one strand that escaped somehow, so I'm just gonna gently tease it out because I just don't want it to be in a place where it could get stuck. So there we go. There's my single strand. I will just wet that with some water and twirly, twirly, twirl, and just have a free floating strand. Sometimes that happens. I actually did leave some strands out on purpose here on the sides, on this side and that side, so I can have some little curlies if I want to put my hair back. But there we go. I think that looks really good. You can see that the roots did stay fairly even with everything else, and it's nice and clean. There it is. Overall, I think the experiment worked out pretty nicely. I feel like my twists are nice and full, despite the fact that I did some, small mini twists here, and I have some that are wanting to just kind of stick out at any which angle, but as I go through the week braiding them and putting them in different styles, they are going to behave for me a bit better, I think. I have this middle section here that I went ahead and made sure that I have instead of having a middle part because I don't like that. I like having off center a little bit, and I'm looking forward to styling these this week. And one thing I really love is just how the color looks. It's this warm honey color. So overall, I'm very happy with the results of this experiment and definitely will be doing this again in the future.